I think the success of this bathroom is that it has a feeling of timelessness, but it's not stale. Hi Domain, I'm Carlene Duffy, designer and renovator, and this is my bathroom. We are really lucky to have this shower that's just abundant in natural light. With the shower doors, we really wanted a black steel framed shower glass. It was just way out of budget. We ended up working around it by designing a black powder coated aluminium version. It ended up being exactly what we wanted and at a fraction of the price. So the Carrara marble mosaics were definitely a splurge. They're more expensive to purchase, but to me, it was just one of those things that gives you big impact. It's 100% worth it. And a bit of a bonus with using a mosaic on the floor is it's got excellent slip factor because there's so many grout lines, which people don't love to clean, but it's totally worth it for me. We were able to save on the joinery by doing just a flat front cabinet, which is significantly more cost effective than anything with any sort of detailed profile, but we were able to elevate it by doing a really nice aged brass handle, and we actually sourced our own feet, which was also a cost saver. In the powder room, we've used this really cool pendant light, which I sort of just stumbled across at an antique store. I think the success of this bathroom is that it has a feeling of timelessness, but it's not stale. It's got a really good mix of styles, a little bit contemporary, a little bit vintage. It's got personality and it feels like us.